Hi, my name is Jean. I live here in Dana Point. I bought my house 2 years ago, and from the moment that I moved in, I wanted to remodel my kitchen. I had a wall in the middle of the room, and I had an opening into a useless room over there. So I went onto Yelp and I tried to find who would be the best person to remodel my kitchen, and I called multiple places when I came upon Horizon. So right from the start, when I had my representative come over, it was David, and he came over and he drew everything out onto his iPad, all the visions that I had in my head, and it was so exciting to see somebody actually understand what I was trying to accomplish and to then implement them. So I've been so happy with my remodel. I think my favorite part is the island. I love all the details of my lighting, things that I would never have thought about were done for me without me even asking for them. So I've been really happy. From start to finish, I think we took 3 months, and that included Thanksgiving and Christmas. So it was a very quick remodel, and every step of the way, David was available through text, through phone call, through email, and everything's worked out great. So I highly recommend Horizon.